Today I want to talk to you about a product that's changed my life while I wait for my kids, or I spend a lot of time in my vehicles in general with press cars and everything. Like, I spend a lot of time in my cars, and this little box here from Binize has literally changed my life, and I'll explain why. First of all, it's an Android little box, which is incredible. It's so small, so tiny. The tech specs, you can see them right here behind the box. So it is an incredible little machine. It has two cables, so you have USB-C to USB-C, or you can have USB-C to USB-A, depending on what port you have on your car. Currently, I'm in the Kia EV9, so we have USB-C ports, so I'm going to plug in the USB-C. Just so you know, over here, it also has an SD card slot. So I put a 64 gigabyte SD card in there, and that helps me because you can load movies or shows or MP3s or whatever you want, or you can use the storage to download stuff from Netflix. Yes, Netflix! I just told you the secret. Okay, so this little box retails for just over 120 US dollars, but there is a discount code down there below. And also on Amazon, you get lots of discount coupons and whatever, so you will find it cheaper. And do please use the code because we work hard for these codes. Now, the beauty of this little box is your car needs to support wired CarPlay. Okay, it has to be wired, not wireless, wired. It can be also wireless, but it needs to be wired. Some modern BMWs only support wireless, so that's not going to work. You need to make sure it supports wired CarPlay. Then you plug it in, and basically you just wait for a few seconds, and the magic that's going to happen is beyond words. Your vehicle will very soon detect that, oh, a new CarPlay device has been plugged in. And then the magic will begin. You'll see it's going to load up an Android portal. And it's going to basically make your screen into an Android tablet. Like, literally. Now, I've gone ahead, obviously, and I've installed more apps because I like to, but look at this. I have all my apps. Okay, you have Google Play Store, so you can basically log into your Google account and download all your favorite apps. Most of them are available. For example, I didn't find Apple TV, but everything else that I use is there. So you have Netflix, you have Disney Plus, you have Amazon Prime Video. I put VLC, Spotify. Anything you actually want is here. And you know what? You hook this up through Wi-Fi to either your phone or a nearby Wi-Fi. So let's say you're outside Starbucks, you can connect to the Starbucks Wi-Fi, or your house or whatever. Most probably you're going to hook it up to your phone and tether off your data. But the amazing thing is, for example, you get YouTube, you get Netflix, and it all works fantastically well. Okay, you have Spotify, you have literally anything you can have on an Android tablet. It converts the screen of your vehicle into an Android tablet, which is actually phenomenal. It works really, really well. The best part is that, on vehicles, I drive a lot of press cars, I can tell you for sure that the OEM wireless CarPlay is always very glitchy. What this thing does is you pair it with Bluetooth to your cell phone, and then you press here where it says Speed Play, and then you actually have wireless CarPlay to your phone. So if your car only supports wired CarPlay, this is also an adapter to make it wireless for your phone, which is the best thing ever. And as you see, it's seamless. It works so well. You can't really tell that it's like an overlay on an overlay. It's just a single product that works so well. And you have this little dot that appears that basically gives you the features like home, back, options, whatever, go back to the car. It's just so easy to use. It's not laggy. It's responsive, it's reliable. And most importantly, it's cheap, and it will transform the screen of your vehicle. It needs to support wired CarPlay into basically an Android tablet, and you can do whatever you want with it. And it's fantastic. You can watch movies and listen to the movies through your car stereo, which is fantastic. The audio quality is phenomenal. Can't tell any difference. Honestly, you get Netflix, you get YouTube. So basically, I always envy people in Teslas, because when we wait for our kids for activities, they can watch shows and whatever, and I have to hold the phone or a tablet, whatever. And now, eat this! With just over $100, or not even, I can do the same thing. What a nice product, man. It's honestly, it's incredible. It does probably support Android Auto. I don't have an Android Auto phone to test it, but I do see this Carbit Link app, so that's probably Android Auto. Honestly, what a great device. I absolutely love it. It's so simple, so small, so reliable. It doesn't even get hot. You can put some like double-sided tape and like stick it somewhere, or get a longer cable to tuck it away in a glove box so you don't really see it. Some cars have the ports underneath the armrest, so you just leave it in there. Honestly, for what it's worth, this little AI box from Binize is basically amazing. I actually really love this product. I don't easily recommend products, but this one, holy hell, it's I love this. So use the link in the description, buy one for yourself, and then you'll understand why this little box has made me so happy. Anyway, that's all for now. Take care. Bye-bye.